Hi guys, let's start a today topic where I'll cover the data model layout, pro tips about the Power BI data model, data formats, categories, hierarchies, all this thing. So if your Power BI model looks confusing, users select wrong field and report feels messy, the Power BI is the problem is actually the not a DEX, it's your on data model design. So in this video, I will show you the pro tips Microsoft experts, every Power BI developer to follow. So before starting this topic, I just mentioned that I have added all the videos in Power BI playlist so you can learn step by step without missing anything. Because these all videos are the combination of the previous video, data modeling, and Power BI tutorial. So if you missed any videos, watch it first to understand the concept clearly. So let's come on the screen and the pro tips or data model layout. If suppose their data model is too huge, you need to find out in one table how can we uh, segregate in the custom view and show the specific partition of large and complex model. So in this example, here we created the sales view like this and show the all sales related to the tables displaying, right? And in the next, in the written view, all the displaying written table related tables in this view. So we can actually create a duplicate tables from the our all data models and check our data models properly. How can we do that? Let's do one thing. Let's open the Power BI and check it. How can we do that? So this is our Power BI. Let's add in the Power BI call in the home page in the view of the data model view and all tables and select the layout. So let's suppose we need to check the sales table. This is a two fact table, written and sales data. Let's check the sales data first. This all data available here and right click, add all related tables. So all related tables related to the sales would appear. Let's do zoom out so that you can see every. You can do here and there, check relationship, everything there. And if you suppose do anything from here, like you undo the customer key from here, in your all window will be do like this. If you do like this, if you click here, it would be in the layout. So this is a very good view to understand and diagnose your problem in the data related thing. And you can change the rename here as this is the sales data, so we can put it the sales, right? Second thing, if I click here, select another key that is from the sales data, right? Right click, alter table, see, right? And you can rename it as a returns data, right? So we can check it, but not, please do not delete it anything from here. If you deleted it, all that particular table were deleted from everywhere. So make sure, please. So that is the view of data model layout, right? Let's jump on another topic, that is date format and the categories. This is two things, format thing and category. The both are the two different things, right? So custom date format from the customer tools menu in the date view or the properties pane in the model view. that thing. And this is the category. Category basically assign a data categories from the geographical fields, URL, or the barcodes. So this commonly used for the help Power BI map the local based field like address, countries, cities, coordinators, zip code, etc. Right. So let's jump on the Power BI and do data formatting. So this is the Power BI. Let's jump on the table field. So this is the geographical field. So select the country, go there in the data. See, this is not country, this is the country. So make sure about this. Continent, select here and put the continent. When you selected that, this, go to the data model and see, this is a global icon for the continent and the country. Let's jump on the another thing. Let's suppose we have to click the sales data. In the sales data, see the order date is different format. Let's do it the format in this way. And what format you want, you can give that this way. And let's suppose sales order quantity, customer key, and whatever you want to give, you can give. And order date here, you can like start date, or what format you want to give, you can give them on this. So basically, this is the formatting. You can do the formatting here also, like the cost is in dollar, so we put the currency here, so it will automatically dollar. This price is also in the currency, so it will come the currency also. So you can do like this, your formatting part. So let's jump on the Power BI next topic, that is hierarchies. So hierarchy is a very important thing in the Power BI. So you can uh, extract your data, drill down, and check or drill up and check your hierarchies. Let's take the example of here. Hierarchy could be anything like day in the date, in the year, the month, and day, and geographicals like continents, like country, like region or city, whatever that is. So in the hierarchy are the group of the column that affect multiple level of the geographical or granularity, right? In this. So for example, the geographic hierarchy must be include the country, state, and the city fields. Here you can see like this. Okay, so how can create? Let's do it later. Let's try to understand the hierarchy. So hierarchies are treated the single item in the table and report. Allow user to drill up and drill down through the each level. And how can we do that? Simply select the hierarchy the top level and right click and create the hierarchy from the data pane and created it, like I created the content, and then rename as whatever you want to give the name. Right now I'll give the name the priority hierarchy, and then right click another fields like country and select add to the another add to the hierarchy or drag into it. Let's do it in the Power BI the practical way. I'll open the Power BI here, like suppose I'll open here directory, right click, continents, add hierarchy here. So hierarchy would be like this. So you can rename it as uh, give any name like territory or IOR, territory hierarchy. I- Okay, I'm spelling mistake. I will correct it. T-O-R-Y, right? Is it right here? And drop and drag another field in this, or right click, add to hierarchy, right here, like this. Right click, add to hierarchy, enter it. See, like this. Let's do it in the practical. How it's looked like in the report view. Click here in the hierarchy, click and put the row. See, it will look like this. If you can drill down like this, or more drill down in this, Europe, France, and France, Germany, whatever you have, you can drill down also. So this is the hierarchy in the Power BI. So we'll do one thing. We'll take some assignment and close this topic of the data modeling, and we'll start the DAX in the next chapter. So stay tuned. See you in the next video in the Power BI.